Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out more Sheglam makeup and I'm very excited. I've got some really exciting products here, so let's do it. First thing I'm going to do though is try this out. This is the little Crystal Glaze Moisturising Lip Care in Strawberry Milk. So I thought like I'll put it on now so it's got time to like sink in before the end of the makeup. Yeah. I got this out of the advent calendar and it actually smells so incredible. Normally I don't like strawberry milk, but so good. That's actually so good. Feels very nice. It's not like super sticky. There's a tiny little bit of tackiness, but it just feels really good. Looks very pretty too. Alright, let's get on to the eyes. I have an eyeshadow palette today and also a couple of eyeshadows to try out, so I'm very excited about those. Alright, so this is the palette here. I got this one also in the advent calendar. It's called Love and Taupe and it's just this beautiful like brown palette. So I'm just going to prime my eyes and we're going to get into it. Okay, eyes are primed now, so we're going to jump into the palette. This is actually like the first time doing an eyeshadow look since like my Halloween stuff, which is scary. So let's hope I still know how to do it. Alright, I'm going to take this shade and just kind of run that near the brow bone. I have tried Sheglam eyeshadows before, but they've been palettes. I tried the Rick and Morty one, which like I didn't like. The colour story was weird, and I tried the Care Bears one and I feel like that was a little bit the same, like the colour story was a little bit odd. And then I also tried the Gryffindor one, which was like only a couple of colours. So this is like I guess the first time trying eyeshadows that are kind of like wearable, I guess, or like everyday kind of colours. I do like Sheglam shadows, like I think they're nice. I just think they're very subtle, kind of watered down, I guess, in a sense, but they're definitely not terrible, and I think they'd be super great for someone who was just getting into eyeshadow. But yeah, today we're just kind of going to do something pretty simple. I've also got the Enigma eyeshadows, which are like the sparkly ones. Got that one and that one, so I want to try out one of those today as well. I'm gonna go into, I think I'm gonna take this shade now. This brush is so weird because I've washed it, but I'm like, it's just stained, but it looks like there's obviously still blue eyeshadow in there, but there's not. I actually won't lie, I do feel like these are quite like, they seem very creamy or something, like compared to the other ones that I've tried. I don't know if it's just because these are neutrals, so they're a bit, I think they're typically easier to make like formula wise, but these are actually looking really nice and smooth on the eyes. I actually really kind of like it. I don't know, like I know obviously it's something like super simple, but I do think it is looking very nice. Okay, we're gonna go in to like this brown shade now. I'm gonna put her in the outer corner. They are blending beautifully. I mean, obviously, like I said, I know they're neutrals. Typically, you can't really go wrong with a neutral eyeshadow palette, but I do think that these are performing very nicely and they do look really creamy and stuff. So I am quite impressed. I'm really excited to try out the Enigma shadows as well. They look really pretty. Be interesting to see how they perform. I actually really enjoy Sheglam as a brand. I think they are really cool and I think they have very appealing products. I don't know, they've just got a way of like the packaging and like the products that they bring out and stuff. They just, I don't know, they're super appealing. I do really like them. I feel like they're one of the brands that make makeup feel fun. I think I've talked about this before, but when I was first coming into makeup, everything was fun, you know? There were so many cool, fun, bright collections. Like, I don't know if you guys remember, but there was like the Too Faced Carnival collection. What other ones were there? There were so many. I'm just trying to think. I don't know. But there were so many super fun collections because that era of makeup was the, you know, like the Instagram makeup, whereas I feel like obviously now the trend at the moment is very much clean girl, which is fun, and don't get me wrong, it looks stunning, but god, I miss the fun makeup days, you know? So I really applaud Sheglam because I think that their products still make me feel excited. It's the same as P. Louise, it's the same as Colourpop Glam Light. I feel like all of those brands do a really great job of making makeup feel fun. Like, I don't want to feel like, I don't know, I just feel like makeup can be very fun. I definitely understand the appeal of like clean girl makeup and of like posh makeup, I guess. But I'm a sucker. I'm a fun makeup girl for life, I think. Okay, so these are the two shades that we have here. The more taupey one is called Treasure, and then the other one is called Such a Prize. I don't know what one we should go for. I kind of feel like the taupey one would be really pretty, but then, I don't know, the silver one's still pretty too. I think I'm going to do the silvery one, to be honest. Let's see how it goes. Wow, that is super cool. It is very like sparkly, like it's not your typical shimmer. It's very much like little flecks of glitter, and it really has that effect when you like turn your head. Love it. That's really cute. It reminds me of like the night sky or something. Isn't that cute? I feel like it's giving very like Y2K vibes or something. I do actually really enjoy that. I think it's very pretty. How pretty is that? I love it. It's really cute. I do have the little glitter liners, but I don't know if I'm gonna use any of them today. They are like obviously really pretty, but I just don't know like if they're gonna fit the vibe. I think I'm kind of happy just leaving it like this, to be honest. Alright guys, I'm gonna go off camera, put some lashes on, and then we will be back to try out the base products. Okay, so lashes are on now. I just used the XO Beauty lashes in Flutter. Today we're going to be taking the Good Grip Hydrating Primer. This is the new blueberry one, and it also has AHA. Oh, that smells so good, guys. Yum. Oh, that's actually so nice. Feels really nice too. Like, yeah, that smells really nice. And it feels very nice going onto the skin. I feel like I accidentally put a little bit too much on, to be honest, but it'll be okay. Alright, I'm going to give that a couple of seconds to dry. Today I'm just gonna, it's kind of tacky on my hands because obviously it's like a grippy primer. Today we're just going to take the Sheglam foundation. This is the Skinfinite Hydrating one. I've used this before, and for concealer I'm just taking the Urban Decay Stay Naked. I don't have any new foundations or anything from them to try. I do really enjoy the Sheglam foundation. I rubbed the primer into my neck and now my neck's like sticky. At least it does what it says, you know, like good grip, like it's not lying. It's tacky, that's for sure. It feels so weird to do normal makeup again. Like, felt a little bit lost not doing my little Halloween looks, but I've actually been so excited to get back into doing like normal makeup tutorials. And I've got so much like new makeup and stuff to try out. Like, I've got all this Sheglam stuff. I want to do an MCO Beauty video again soon. I know I've already done one, but I've got some more products. I've got the new Colourpop and Barbie collab. I've also got, Colourpop and Bratz collab. I've also got the new Colourpop and Frosty collab, which I'm so excited about. Like, that one is so cute. What else do I have? All the advent calendar makeup, all that kind of stuff. Today I'm going to take this. This is the Jellylicious Hydrating Lip and Blush Tint. Mine's in the shade Howdy. Actually, no, sorry. First I'm going to set our concealer. So this is the Hydro Touch Refreshing Setting Powder. Let's give this a go. This thing is so cool and so weird. It's literally like, feels like water when you touch it. So I'm just going to use this to set, yeah, my concealer. I'm very excited. I could probably zoom you out a bit now. Literally feels like water going on the skin. It's the weirdest feeling. It's so odd. Can't live for it. It's actually really hot today. It's like 28 degrees or something. And like my studio gets quite hot, I guess. So this is actually really nice. Why is it leaving little white specks? It's not a vibe. Maybe it's the thing that I'm using. Let's try it on a brush, because the white specks are a bit concerning. I'm not gonna lie, I think it might have been the powder puff I was using, because they're kind of gone now. Are they? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, that doesn't seem to, I've kind of got rid of them with the brush, so I don't know, that's weird though. I don't know what I think of it. I can't tell if I really, really like it or really hate it. It's so interesting. It's a really, really weird texture. I don't know, I kind of live for it though. Weird. Anyway, so now we're going to take this, the little Jellylicious Hydrating Blush, Lip and Blush Tint. I'm really scared. I don't know how to use it. You should be able to use the foundation, yeah? It doesn't say you can't. This could be the ruining of my makeup. Also, girl, it's all over my fingers. But let's... Okay. Once it's on, it's on. It's not blending. Like, not blending, but like, it's a tint. So once it's on, you're not moving it. But we do need to put like bronzer and stuff on, so... And also powder. So let's hope after we put those things on, it's okay. Because otherwise, we've just ruined our makeup. Okay, so next I'm going to take the Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation. Mine's in Chantilly. So I'm very excited to try this actually. And it should hopefully cover up like that blush. But I know this is probably like the blush blindness talking. But I actually kind of live for this. I don't know. Anyway, let's hope this fixes our little blush problem. Okay. Guys, we might have a problem. Oh no, I'm kind of scared. Okay, it's definitely covering a little bit, so that's good. Like, it's definitely not as prominent as it was. Okay, good, yeah, okay. Like, it's still a little bit crazy, but I feel like after we set the face and everything and put bronzer on, we're gonna be okay. I actually kind of like this powder. Like, I feel like it covered up that blush really nicely, but like still let it peek through, you know? So yeah, cute. I'm just gonna quickly bronze. I don't have a new Sheglam bronzer, so I'm just gonna do this real quick. Why am I kind of living? Like, why does this kind of look really good? I'm gonna give like a bit of blend, a big fluffy, but I'm kind of really liking this makeup. Like, I really like how the blush comes from underneath. You know, like, I don't know, I feel like it looks really pretty. I feel like I look very healthy, which is very nice. Highlight. I'm gonna take Luna Glow highlighter. I have tried these before, but this is a new shade. This is Vanilla Frost. Let's give this little baby a go. A go. Also a go, I guess. Got the stain on my fingers from that blush tint. Can't lie, that's actually really, really pretty. And it's got little like pink or red reflex in it, and I feel like it's complementing the blush really nicely. Oh, I actually really like that. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, I'm kind of living, can't lie. Look at it, it's so pretty. Alright, I'm going to quickly set my face. I'm just going to take the Press Refresh setting spray. This is from Sheglam. This isn't new, I've tried it before, but... Alright, I'm going to go off camera, I'm going to do my hair, and then I'll be back, and we can do lips. Okay, I just went in with this. This is the Jelly Wow Hydrating Lip Oil in Stripe Gold. I don't think it's my favourite product that I've tried from them. It's okay, it's just... It's not my favourite, that's all. I feel like it's a little bit... It just doesn't... I feel like I've had products that make my lips look nicer. But anyway, let's go over my thoughts. I actually love this. I thought this was beautiful. See, like, this is one. I feel like this made my lips look really nice and plump. And this smelled and tasted amazing. So I really want to get some more of these. I was actually really pleasantly surprised with the eyeshadow palette. Like I said, I've actually tried Sheglam shadows in the past and I do enjoy them. But this one really kind of exceeded my expectations. Yeah, I really like the color story. I feel like they actually blended really nicely into each other, and my like eyes just look really, like the shadows just look really creamy and blended really nice. I actually love this. Looking at my eyes in the mirror, it's got that like wet look going on, and I just think it's so pretty. I'm actually like really happy with my eye look today. I feel like it's super simple, but it's so effective, and I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's give you a little zoom in, but like, I don't know, they're just really giving that like wet look. So I am obsessed. I actually really like the primer. I think it smells so good and it's very grippy, so I'm excited to keep trying that. This powder, I don't know what I think of it. The Hydro Touch. I actually feel like it makes my under eyes look really nice. Like I feel like it's quite smoothing or something. It does say that it's like a high, it says it's a refreshing setting powder. And I do actually feel like it definitely hasn't like sunk into my creases or anything like that. So I actually kind of like it, but it's just like weird. So I need to get used to it. But anyway, I do actually quite like this as well. Like I feel like it made my skin look pretty good. I need to try it with some other foundations as well. But yeah, I feel like the coverage is pretty good. Like I'm pretty happy with my skin. I think it looks nice. I actually do enjoy this blush that we tried out, the little blush tint. I actually feel like it looks really nice now with everything else. It looks very natural and just like really well blended or something. I don't know. I really enjoy it. I feel like I just need to learn how to use it a bit better because it does scare me, but it is very pretty. What else do we try out? I actually really love this highlight. I think it's actually stunning. I thought it was going to be like too light, but I feel like it actually looks really, really pretty and I'm very impressed. And then the last thing that I tried out was this lip oil, and yeah, like I said, it's just not my favorite. So I think they have reformulated these though. I don't know if this is the new packaging because I've got another one, like same product but like different packaging. So whether or not these are like if this is a new formula, because this one looks a lot like it doesn't have all that shimmer in it and it feels, yeah, a lot more like a nice lip oil. So I don't know. That smells really good as well. Because yeah, they're the same product, but obviously look different. So if this is the new formula, I feel like I'm going to like this one a lot better. But anyway, that was everything. Let me know down below if you have any recommendations or things that you want to see me try. I still have a few Sheglam products left over, so this probably won't be the last Sheglam video. There should be some more coming. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!